In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clean RAM memory on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen and then tap right here at that gear. Now guys, we need to scroll down until we find Device Care, and here we can easily find Memory. To get detailed information about our memory, we need to tap right here, and that's where we can get information about how many megabytes of RAM is used by any application that are currently running in the background, and that's where we can clear some memory by tapping right here. That will close all the applications running in the background, and that's how we can free up some RAM on our Samsung Galaxy phone. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.